Welcome to Maths Line. Today we have some symbols here, which is called the inequalities symbols, and I have to bring this up so that we understand what is the meaning of inequalities. So first and foremost, inequalities are signs that are used as mathematical symbol used to compare two values. Now they are used to compare two values, showing whether one is greater than or one is less than, or maybe one is equals to the other. Now in a nutshell, you get to think of it. It's also a way to describe the relationship between numbers rather than just stating the exact balance of the numbers. So in this case, we have some of these symbols here. Now, in our elementary mathematics where we're still in secondary school, people do get confused with these symbols, whether this is greater than or maybe this is less than, so on and so forth. So I'm going to teach you how to understand the two signs. Now, when we have our hand this way, this is my right hand and this is my left hand. So if I turn my hand this way, that means that this is picking the shape of what I have here. So when I bring it forth here and I put it straight here, you can see that this is already showing a greater sign symbol. So in that case, when I put my hand that way, I mean that this is greater than. And an example of this, we can say that 10 is greater than, you can say 10 is greater than 5. So that is just one perfect example. Now the other one is we have my left hand here, which is a less than. Now if you turn the other way around and I express this as my left hand, you can see that it's taking the shape of this. So which means that this is actually being reflected as less than. So I can come here to say that 5 is less than 10. So you can see that we are making progress here. Now, coming down to this page, we already know that this is greater than, but we already have a greater than symbol here with a stroke under, which means that it is either greater than or equal to that particular number or maybe that particular value. So to express this, we can say that 10 is greater than or equal to x. In the other way around, we can say x is greater than or equals to 10. Any of this is a perfect example here. Now we have the other one, which is the less than or equal to So to express this in the value, we can say y is less than or equals to 5. Or you can go the other way, we can say 5 is less than or equals to y. Any one is acceptable. The last one we have here is the equals to sign. So the equals to sign here, you can see that not equal to, which means that if we want to express this, we can say that 2 is not equal to 7. The reason behind this is that 7 is actually greater than 2. So 2 cannot be equal to 7. So I believe that you have learned something today. Please stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.